The list of selected candidates for a B.Tech program against the seat reserved by the Nagaland University for the state of Meghalaya. Thì don south li ki seat nam taga state of Meghalaya hagne po Nagaland University. The selected candidate for various schools are directed to report kini ki balak select they will report personally to the additional director of higher and technical education Shillong room number 204. Kennel Ward Road, opposite Shillong Public School, Laimkra, along with all original document on 24 July 2023. The last date is on 24 July 2023 from 11 am to 1 pm. Ada Kim Wan nakanek Arab July kinik belajar select munba the next waiting list will be selected. For accepting of seat and execution of the undertaking, selected candidate will be nominated only after the execution of undertaking in a non-judicial stamp paper of Rs 10 rupees only. Pihak penra kata non-judicial stamp golong supporting ka pihak execution toong tu you can sabatai bi. Upgradation against vacancy if any will be done on 24 July. Ke ibaran kam kin pendap pihak Arab July no kata last date dan next kin seperti beda ada Kim One join. Tenam ta kijing tip hamnya bila check up website www.megeducation.gov.in. Last date of issue nomination paper will be on 24 July only. Okay, so the merit list B.Tech in agricultural engineering and technology candidate open category. The candidate who are get selected are Mr. Dey Bormi Sumer, PCM percentage of 78.67%. And then waiting list, there are 12 waiting list candidates. Mr. Akimbrio Armarak, Linza Fenzi S. Pawa, Mr. Edify Shada, Miss Sengba Rong Chime Marak, Miss Darisux Im, Miss Biba Jong, Miss Charity Tubru, Miss Darilang Susngi, Mr. Eminosh Armarak, Mr. Frankie K. Lamin Gashnga, Miss Rupi Nasari, Miss Sarah N. Arang. These are the waiting list for this open category. And then B.Tech in biotechnology, Khazi and Jaintia category. Selected candidate is Miss Linza Fenzi S. Pawa, 74.33% of PCMB. And then the waiting lists are Edify Shadab, Dari Suks Im, Charity Tubru, Dari Lang Susni, Frankie K. Lamin Gashna, and Rupina Sari. And B.Tech Information Technology, Khasi and Jaintia category, Mr. Edify Shadab, 65% PCM. Then same only the name of the waiting list. This Kidegi Juhi Kertang, Mr. Risux M, Charity Tupru, Dari Lang Susni, Frankie K. Lamin Gashna, and Rubhina Sari. Then B.Tech in Computer Science and Engineering, Garo category, Mr. Akimbru Armarak, 76.67% DCM. And waiting list, Miss Sengba Rongchimi Armarak, Mr. Amy Nosh Armarak, and Miss Sarah N. Arang. Then B.Tech in Electronic and Communication Engineering, Garo category, Miss Sengba Rongchimi Armarak, 60.33%. Name of candidate of waiting list, Kijuhi, Mr. Amy Nosh Armarak, and Miss Sarah N. Arang. Tar Kijuhi candidate magiduna amat kiba apply tetang ginehi candidate waiting list and the selected candidate. And the last date of nomination will be on 24 July 2023. Teknik bila mi list lakwa aban yo ekasit ki haban lej mi hapo kaneka additional director of higher and technical education Shillong room number 204 ban accept ekasit ke bakila yo. Thank you.